Today, I eat an apple. Today, I eat an apple. Tomorrow, I will eat an apple. Tomorrow, I will eat an apple. Yesterday, I ate an apple. Yesterday, I ate an apple. Today, she plays football. Today, she plays football. Tomorrow, she will play football. Tomorrow, she will play football. Yesterday, she played football. Yesterday, she played football. Today, we go to school. Today, we go to school. Tomorrow, we will go to school. Tomorrow, we will go to school. Yesterday, we went to school. Yesterday, we went to school. Today, he reads a book. Today, he reads a book. Tomorrow, he will read a book. Tomorrow, he will read a book. Yesterday, he read a book. Yesterday, he read a book. Today, they watch TV. Today, they watch TV. Tomorrow, they will watch TV. Tomorrow, they will watch TV. Yesterday, they watched TV. Yesterday, they watched TV. Today, I drink milk. Today, I drink milk. Tomorrow, I will drink milk. Tomorrow, I will drink milk. Yesterday, I drank milk. Yesterday, I drank milk. Today, she cooks rice. Today, she cooks rice. Tomorrow, she will cook rice. Tomorrow, she will cook rice. Yesterday, she cooked rice. Yesterday, she cooked rice. Today, we clean the room. Today, we clean the room. Tomorrow, we will clean the room. Tomorrow, we will clean the room. Yesterday, we cleaned the room. Yesterday, we cleaned the room. Today, he rides a bike. Today, he rides a bike. Tomorrow, he will ride a bike. Tomorrow, he will ride a bike. Yesterday, he rode a bike. Yesterday, he rode a bike. Today. They draw pictures. Today. They draw pictures. Tomorrow. They will draw pictures. Tomorrow. They will draw pictures. Yesterday. They drew pictures. Yesterday. They drew pictures. Today. I write a letter. Today. I write a letter. Tomorrow. I will write a letter. Tomorrow. I will write a letter. Yesterday. I wrote a letter. Yesterday. I wrote a letter. Today. She sings a song. Today. She sings a song. Tomorrow. She will sing a song. Tomorrow. She will sing a song. Yesterday. She sang a song. Yesterday. She sang a song. Today. We make tea. Today. We make tea. Tomorrow. We will make tea. Tomorrow. We will make tea. Yesterday. We made tea. Yesterday. We made tea. Today. He cuts paper. Today. He cuts paper. Tomorrow. He will cut paper. Tomorrow. He will cut paper. Yesterday. He cut paper. Yesterday. He cut paper. Today. They build a sandcastle. Today. They build a sandcastle. Tomorrow. They will build a sandcastle. Tomorrow. They will build a sandcastle. Yesterday. They built a sandcastle. Yesterday. They built a sandcastle. Today. I wash my hands. Today. I wash my hands. Tomorrow. I will wash my hands. Tomorrow. I will wash my hands. Yesterday. I washed my hands. Yesterday. I washed my hands. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such amazing videos like this.